have good judgment, I know I have good taste. It's funny and it's ironic that only I feel that way. I promise I'm that you're different, and everyone makes mistakes.
Staten Island, the South Shore, Huguenot, specifically Huguenot Village, right across the street from the South Shore Country Golf Club. We are standing in front of our newest listing at 21 Bunnell Court. This one bedroom with a loft has 2 baths and it's an end unit. And if that's not enough, we have a community pool. How cool is that? You know what? Let's go check it out.